tell you my experience 7 years ago. I invited the Puss Lunch Fire Prevention Officer in, and I cleaned my barn up so it didn't look anything like it did on a normal day, right? So then I invite the Fire Prevention Officer walking in, and I'm all proud of everything because my shavings are all neatly piled, my hay's all piled over here, and all the rest of it. He walks in and he goes, fuel source, ignition. And I kind of went, oh, totally changed my view of walking into a barn, right? Because we're not trained. So the more you can reach out to barn owners, please do so, right? We desperately need that information. We do not have it. So I thank you for doing what you're doing, and I encourage everybody else to try and get your departments to do that as well.